Music FX is a text-to-music platform that allows you to create songs from text prompts. It was created by Google Labs, and apparently this is a pretty good engine that they're using. So we're going to try it out today. If this is your first time here, my name is JI, and this is the Everyday AI channel where we teach you how you can use AI in your daily lives. We're going to go for the first prompt. I'm going to create a catchy, memorable piano track with captivating melodies, syncopated rhythms, and interesting counter melodies. Let's click generate. Damn, that's pretty good. Nice, that's pretty cool. I mean, that's not too bad. Let's see the second one. Interesting stuff. Yeah, I think this is pretty cool. It's certainly a great way to get some ideas or to just create a background theme song for, let's say, a video you're doing. So if you're a YouTuber, you could use this to create a theme tune, let's say for the opening or the closing of your videos. And also if you are, let's say, a content creator on Instagram or other short form content platforms, then yeah, you could use this just to create background tracks for your content. Definitely worth exploring. If you enjoyed the video, please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And if you'd like to talk to me, then head over to Jay's Instagram, where you can chat to ChatJPT, which is essentially ChatGPT combined with my way of thinking, speaking, and seeing the world. So if you like these videos, then you'll definitely enjoy having a chat with ChatJPT. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.